we're going to have a look at this coordinate question. So, it says coordinates. 3 corners of a rectangle are marked on the grid below. So, what are the corners of the fourth corner? Okay, my writing's a bit jumbled up, but let's just get to work. Okay, so we've got the coordinates. As you can see, this is kind of like a clock hand. So if I explain, as you can see, this is like a clock hand. So if you think about it, right, that on a clock, I make it more visual, but on a clock, you do realise that on a clock that you have a shorter hand and a long hand, because coordinates are like clocks. All it is, it's just on a bar graph. A coordinate grid. It's either a bar graph or coordinate grid, depending what question you might get. So I filled in this number. So I put -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -4, -3, -2, -1. So this side we've got the negatives. We've got the negative correlation, and this side we've got the positive correlation. So we've got +0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +9, +10. So this side we've got the negative side and the positive side. So on this side up here, we've got the positive again here and the negative down here. So if we think about it, if we join these together like this, it's kind of like a clock face if you think about it, because coordinates is like a clock face. So if you think about it, on a clock, I'm going to use my hand to make more visual, but on a clock, you have a hand like this, don't you? So basically, for example, let's say my hand. So we've got like this clock, and it's turned like this. Kind of like this, if you think about it. Because with coordinates, it's like a clock face, but all it is it's just on a coordinate grid or a line graph, depending what the question wants you to figure out. So the coordinates are going to be -3 and -6. Because you can see, we're going 5 down and 5 to the right. So there's your answer.